Most people agree the Mavic 4 Pro is one of the best consumer drones ever made. But somewhere inside DJI's own paperwork, in registration filings that almost nobody reads, a new name has quietly shown up, the Mavic 5 Pro. Let's be honest right away. There is no launch date. Nobody has confirmed the Mavic 5 Pro even exists yet in any real form. So this video won't promise a release. Instead, it will look at the real signs pointing toward the future. Let's start with the facts, because there aren't many. The name Mavic 5 has shown up in DJI's internal registration records. That's really the whole of the hard evidence. It hasn't passed FCC approval. No leaked prototype photos exist. For a company where products usually get tracked down to the smallest leaked part months ahead of time, this kind of silence around the Mavic 5 says a lot on its own. So what can people reasonably expect, instead of just making things up? Look at the pattern the Mavic 4 Pro set. It brought a strong triple camera system, along with a big jump in dynamic range and low-light performance compared to the model before it. If DJI follows its own history, and there's no reason to think it won't, a Mavic 5 Pro would likely push that camera system even further. That could mean deeper sensor stacking for faster readout, wider dynamic range closer to DJI's bigger cinema cameras, and more improvements to the all-around obstacle avoidance system that's now standard on every modern Mavic. Signal technology is an easier guess, because DJI's O series has improved steadily and predictably. Each new version has stretched range, cut lag, and handled interference better. Whatever comes after O4 will almost certainly power the Mavic 5 Pro, just like it has powered every recent DJI flagship. Battery life and flight time are also a safe bet. DJI has slowly stretched flight time with nearly every new drone for years. There's no clear reason that trend would suddenly stop. But here's the important warning that needs to stay front and center. Everything past these broad trends is pure guesswork, not leaked information. Anyone claiming to know the exact megapixel count or sensor size for the Mavic 5 Pro right now is, at best, guessing for fun. At worst, they're making things up for clicks. The same kind of rumor cycle that's hurt other long-awaited camera launches across the industry. Why doesn't a name and a registration list mean the drone is coming soon? Because the Mavic 5 Pro is facing real obstacles that have nothing to do with engineering. The first problem is timing. The Mavic 4 Pro is still DJI's current flagship. It's new and still selling very well. Releasing a replacement too soon would hurt sales of a product DJI wants to keep selling at full price for as long as possible. Industry watchers who track DJI's release pattern mostly agree a Mavic 5 won't arrive before 2027, and more likely 2028. A full product cycle from now. The second problem is bigger, and it's changing DJI's whole global plan, US regulation. DJI is now on the FCC's covered list, which means new DJI products need special review before they can legally sell in the US. Several of DJI's 2026 releases, including the Air 4, have already missed their expected FCC filing deadlines completely, with trackers noting the date passed with no filing at all. Whatever the Mavic 5 Pro eventually becomes, it will be born straight into this same regulatory mess. And nothing suggests that will change much even a few years from now. The third problem is internal. DJI's attention is spread across an unusually large number of products right now. The Avata 360, the mysterious Loto X1, and updates to the Pocket 4 Pro. A company can only push so many big flagship projects at once. And the Mavic 5 Pro is competing for engineering time against a whole lineup of products with more urgent, more immediate business reasons behind them. To understand where the Mavic 5 Pro really stands, it helps to look at what DJI is doing with its time. And the company is genuinely busy. 2025 was, by almost every measure, the year of the flagship, led by the Mavic 4 Pro's launch. But 2026 has shifted heavily toward new categories and specialized products, rather than another flagship upgrade. The Avata 360 has already passed FCC approval, mixing FPV-style flying with true 360-degree video in a way that creates a whole new product category instead of just improving an old one. And the mysterious Loto X1, a name that doesn't fit neatly into any existing DJI product line, suggests the company is experimenting with new shapes and formats that don't fall under Mini, Air, or Mavic at all. Meanwhile, DJI's relationship with the US market has gotten a lot more complicated, and not just for one product. The company's overall US availability has shrunk quite a bit through 2026, with several confirmed products completely blocked from US sales. In that context, the Mavic 5 Pro isn't being ignored. It's being put on the back burner on purpose, while DJI puts its visible energy into shorter-term category expansion and figuring out how to navigate a regulatory situation that's reshaping where and how it can even sell the products it already has. Let's talk honestly about numbers and timing, because there isn't much to go on. On timing, almost every trustworthy industry source lands on the same answer. A Mavic 5 of any kind is realistically a 2027 or 2028 product, not a 2026 one. The Mavic 4 Pro is too new, too successful, and too central to DJI's current flagship strategy for a true replacement to make business sense any sooner. On price, since there are no confirmed specs to base a real number on, the only fair approach is to look at past Mavic flagship pricing. The Mavic 4 Pro itself launched at a premium price, reflecting its triple camera system and pro-level image quality. Whatever the Mavic 5 Pro turns out to be, it will almost certainly keep that same premium pricing. And for viewers in the US specifically, given the current regulatory path, there's a real chance that whenever the Mavic 5 Pro does exist, US availability won't be guaranteed at all. A reality already affecting several of DJI's 2026 releases right now. The real future of the Mavic line isn't a spec sheet. It isn't even really a date on a calendar yet. It's the simple fact that somewhere inside DJI's long-term plans, the dream that started with the very first Mavic, putting an impossible view right in someone's hands, is still being built towards something bigger. Subscribe to be the first to know the moment real evidence shows up.